Hello, this is the clock guy. Wanted to show you a beautiful clock. I see a lot of these black cast iron clocks from the 1880s up to maybe early 1910s or so. This one is really something that it's worth making a video of. Mostly because of how ornate it is. As far as the black cast iron mantel clocks go, this one's a little unusual. It is a very well made Ansonia clock. 1881 is the date on the back. What makes this really exceptional is the patented open escapement that Ansonia put on this. It's a very nice brass dial. It's rather unusual, this brass dial. I've only seen one other like it. It's not that common. This clock runs really well. It's got a fast and slow adjustment arbor up on the top. Let it, see if you can hear it going. It has very nice brass bezel and beveled glass, thick, heavy beveled glass. The whole clock is made out of cast iron with the exception of that red border. Turn it around and show you. It weighs 28 pounds. It is a rather heavy clock. Nice brass door. It's a very nice embellished stamped movement. I have the hammer moved away from the gong because it can be rather loud. I just have it adjusted so it's chiming so you know the hour, but it's not too overwhelming. It chimes once on the half hour. And then it counts the hour on the hour. Ansonia Clock Company, black cast iron mantel clock from 1881. It's the clock guy saying thanks for watching.